Well, hello, Merlins and Sterlings. I'm the F-Bomb here in NicBroInc, and I got this all the way from Russia for my brother. This will be a multi-part video. I'm just going to open it like this. You guys can't see the pack. Actually, is there? There's no easy way to open this. There's no seam. What the hell? Well, I need the karambit. So I just... Oh, I see. It's one of these boxes. But with tape on it. This tape is making it impossible. This video, the rest of this video is going to consist with me... Oh, crap. Is this in multiple pieces? Oh, man. Oh, well, this is what I got him. Oh, shit, it is in pieces. You know what, though? That's okay. I need it in pieces, actually, to spray paint it. So I got Jason, a 3D printed DC-15s blaster. If you know Star Wars, this is from Republic Commando. Please glue me. PLA plastic. Okay, so let's look at the pieces then. This is going to be Jason's blaster. We're going to see me painting this and stuff. Well, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint these, starting with this Krillon to act as like a gesso. I'm really not thrilled with this stupid trigger, but whatever. Some of these I'm going to hand paint, some of them I'm going to spray paint with two coats, some are just getting one. Some pieces need to be silver. This needs to be silver up here. There's some other pieces. This needs to be silver, and then I need to cover some of these bits up and then paint it with black. This will get a hand painting of blue. This back piece will get a hand painting of blue just on this, because that's the energy. One of these parts of this blaster has some red on it. I don't remember which part. Yeah, I don't remember. What did I get? I got this silver, which may not happen today. And I got this. This is black or gunmetal black. I don't remember if this was black or gunmetal black. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. It is gunmetal. I've got silver and gunmetal. We'll see how this comes out. Right now I'm just going to try and spray paint it with as much white as I can so I can have like a primer. It'll take a couple coats because I'm going to have to flip some of these things around more than once. Even this thing I'm going to flip around. Now, there's like some pictures online that I saw that show me what's silver or what's not. This is gonna be the biggest pain in the butt. This piece, the part with the sensor, you can go either way. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of both. These are definitely silver in the game. This I want to do some silver with. The real trick next is trying to get silver on these without getting my hands covered in spray paint. Yeah, that's where we're at. And before I was going to go ahead and use this painter's tape I got, I was going to tape off one tiny piece. That's a red light. I decided I was going to keep all this together because this is all has to be black. My hand paint stuff later. The piece I was worried about taping came off. So I don't have to be concerned anymore. Now, I don't like using painter's tape because usually when I use it, it doesn't work out for me. Something almost always goes wrong. But I can't think of a better option for what I'm trying to do right now. Let me scrub some of this white cardboard that flaked off. That's in front of the gun, but it looks almost okay. But now I'm pulling some of the white off. So, I want all of this to be black and the parts that I painted to be silver. That's the idea. We'll see how it works. So, as I said before, painter's tape has never worked out for me. So I'm really interested, at the same time excited and nervous to see if this did what I wanted it to. I deviated from the picture because part of this is not supposed to be silver, but I'm like, I think I'd like it better if it was silver. So I also don't know if this is going to pull all the paint off. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yay! And it's not pulling the paint off. Good. It bonded correctly. Yeah. Ah, that could have been better. I'll have to paint over that with just a hand brush. And this part too. I like it, that's cool. Yay, that worked out. Alright, well, I have taped this up. I'm going to spray paint this. It's not perfect. It won't come out perfect. But someone's complaining about being cold. I'm cold. No, you're not. So I'm going to spray paint this again. Alright, well, moment of truth. Here's this thing. I don't know if it looks like it might need another coat. I'm tempted not to give it one. I want it black enough, but maybe not. Let's just take it all off. Let's see. Actually, I think I'm okay if it's a little off. If it's not exactly black. Alright, well that worked. Okay. This top part should be fine too. And it looks good. Kept my line. I wanted that line. I like this so far. Alright. Now for these little power rivets. That's one. Alright, looking pretty good. I'm tempted just to leave it silver. I was even thinking about painting these black. I don't know. It looks really good. The camera's having trouble focusing on that. I like it a lot. decided to add some extra colors to this that I wasn't planning. I got some silver, some metallic silver for all like the little nuts and bolts that are sticking around the outside. I got some bronze. What is this one? Royal gold? They had rose gold. I thought about getting that, but no. I'm gonna put some of that in this battery, this little power cell. I already had this blue. We're gonna be putting this blue later on the energy part. I'm gonna put it in the middle. But I'm gonna save that until I have some actual like glow in the dark colors, because I want to put some glow in the dark. This is a red light that's just sitting on the outside of the blaster. I may do the red right now, or I may do it later. It doesn't matter for the video. Right now, what I'm gonna do is, this is like the power, like bar, to show you how the gun's working. I taped up some parts. I'm gonna try to not get this by hand. I decided to come in with a little bit of gray that I'm also going to put on the handle somewhere. But there's just so much silver and black, I want to change it up a little. I do want to keep this silver, but I think having gray in here will like emphasize this a little more. What's annoying is I've spray painted everything twice. I'm up to a point now in this where I could use these Art and Glow colors. I got sky blue and it's in red. And they're not super active, which is fine, but they are glow-in-the-dark colors, and they're not blacklight colors like people kept finding on Amazon when they looked for these things. Actually, that probably use a little more. I don't know how thick this needs to be when I put it on. But I mean, they look pretty cool. They do their work, and they're just for a couple tiny accent parts, so I'm excited. Ooh, wow, you can actually see it moving around. I think my camera corrupted? Shoot. Well, after multiple repaints and me thinking to myself that I should have got a brighter blue for this. It's not coming out so great on the camera. It looks much brighter blue in real life. Oh, there we go. Well, that looks pretty good. It looks better in real life, that's for sure. Now, there are a number of pieces that I'm going to glue on separately before I spray the whole thing together with its sealer. I have to double check, but I'm gluing all this big like visor thing separately, and I think it goes on like this. It was being a little finicky, so before I glue it, I'm actually going to have to test it out. This is as much of the blaster that I'm gluing together. The rest of it, I want free flowing. So we're getting close to being done. I'm going to leave this to dry for a while, and then I'm going to come back, and you'll see.
I have a song for you, brother.
Oh God. Do you have a toothbrush that you don't use?
No.
So I found out something. Apparently, if you use a toothbrush and you pet a cat's head, they'll think it's their mother looking at it.
I saw that. That's fine. Jason,
Like,
happy birthday
God, what the hell is this?
from our childhood.
It's a thing. It's definitely a thing.
Go ahead, just look at it.
No, I'm trying to figure it out underneath before I actually get to see it.
Good luck.
Like, I wanna take this thing off without breaking it.
It's not perfect.
So does this just not?
So most
It
of
goes
it,
there.
most
There
of it
we
does
go.
not move.
This was moving on me. Now I see what the. Oh, it's huge. What the hell?
It is
I
huge.
don't remember it being this big.
It's way bigger than the West Star 45 I made myself.
Good Lord.
So,
Does this keeps doing this?
So, hold on.
I don't think it's supposed to do that.
yes, it does. So, in the idle animation, he pulls this down and he pulls this back to slightly air it out. But if you pull this down and pull this back, that is the power
cartridge.
cell,
Yeah.
which was very detailed.
Dude, this is ridiculously detailed.
So clearly I didn't paint that because no one would see it.
Which is
Who
fine.
cares?
You know what this means, right?
What?
I now need to buy the 3D printer that I've been seriously thinking about getting.
If you want. I did not, yeah, just push it hard. Don't slam it though.
It doesn't look aligned.
It is. It only goes on one line.
That's strange. It really doesn't look aligned.
Just keep pushing it.
See? Okay.
Well, let me see.
It might be
It's been a couple
Yep.
months.
So this has to be pushed slightly down on angle for it to go through. But
Cool.
at least I know that, so it.
So you have your power bar.
Yeah.
Right? You got a fucking red light, and you got the actual.
Well, this
energy.
isn't supposed to be a red light. That's
It is a red light.
I think that's supposed to be the button.
It glows red. Also,
Was it going?
I may have gotten you luminescent paint.
Oh my God!
That does
you're a
not
madman.
look very good on the camera. However, yeah, go ahead, go look at my bedroom or something. That might be enough.
This is nuts. You're insane.
That was my first quarantine project.
This feels beautiful, though.
Actually, it might be fine here in the cat shit box. Watch out for the baby.
Yeah. I'm seeing it work. The blues work.
It does not come over on the camera very well.
That's still so cool, though.
You can't see shit
Yeah.
in here. Yeah, happy birth, dude.
Thank you, man.
A friend is a friend to the end of the end, that's forever and a day. Stay by your side, don't give